is going to be a quick and easy hairstyle for a shrunken and an unstretched fuzzy natural hair. First of all, we are going to part the center. Then we are going to take out small sections at the front on both sides. Next, I'm going to twist that down. So we go over to the rest of the hair. We are going to do a low bun, but the hair is unstretched and shrunken. So it is going to be very difficult to get a very beautiful low bun. So first of all, I am going to spray the hair with water. Water will help soften the hair so that it will be easy to manipulate. Then I'll take out a little section at the back. So we are going to start at the back. We are going to be packing the hair in small sections, starting from the back. So after spraying the water, here I'm just combing out the hair. You can see how easy it is for me to comb the hair after spraying water. So I'm going to put that part in a very low bun. Next, I'm going to use a kinky extension. So notice where I am placing the kinky extension, right under my hair. So I'll use my hair to cover it. I'll make sure that my hair covers that extension thoroughly. This is because my hair is not long enough to give me a full low bun that I so much desire. So if your hair is long and will give you that full and beautiful low bun, so there will be no need for this. But if your hair is as short as mine or shorter, you'll need this hack. And if your hair is shorter, you use a smaller extension so that your hair will be able to cover it. So here I'm going over to another section and I'm going to repeat the same process. After spraying water, I'm going to comb that out. Notice that I'm using a white tooth comb because I don't want to lose my hair. And you can see how easy the comb is going through the hair. So after combing it, I am also putting that in a low bun. I'm going to hold it together with the previous low bun. So here I'm trying to make sure that it is very sleek. It has to be very flat as it can be. But don't expect perfection. Remember that the hair is not stretched. So that is that. We go over to the remaining hair. So I'm doing the same thing here. After spraying water, I go in with my white tooth comb. So you can see that there was no hair on the comb. So now I'm going in with my brush to flatten it very well. I'm just going to put that in a low bun. I'm going to put it in a low bun together with the rest of the hair, with the previous ones. Remember that the lowest of the hair, the lowest of the bun is under, and the other hairs I packed are on top. So I'll just take smaller sections, I'll twist and tuck them under the other hair. Don't know if you understand. So like what I'm doing right here, I'm stretching it with the tip of my finger, then I'll twist the tip and I'll pin that down. So that is what I'm going to do to the rest of the hair. at the back. So here we are done with the back. We come over to the section. So I'm just using a little bit of edge control to make sure my front hair is neat. So here I'm detangling the hair. So first of all, here I tried doing a flat twist and it did not work. I have still not mastered the art of flat twist. I am still struggling. So here I was just trying. I would have loved to do a flat twist, but I was unable to do that. So I'm taking that down. Then I'm going to do a cornrow. So for this hairstyle, if you're doing this and if you're good with flat twist, you can go for flat twist. But if you're not good with flat twist, you can do a cornrow and the hair will still come out beautiful. Also remember, for the sake of your edges, do not make it tight. Whether you're doing a cornrow or a flat twist, please do not make it tight. There should be no pressure on your scalp. So I'll just pin them on top of the low bun. So you can go ahead to do some finishing touches. You can also go in with a hair tie to help lay the hair as flat as possible. And after that, our hair is ready. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle in the comment section. Is this something that you love to try? Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.